Welcome back to Arxflix. Today, we are diving into an intriguing research paper titled ComboVerse, Compositional 3D Assets Creation Using Spatially Aware Diffusion Guidance. This is a cutting-edge development in the field of 3D asset generation, bringing remarkable improvements over traditional methods. Let's get started. Here's how ComboVerse generates high-quality 3D models from a single image containing multiple objects. This example shows a squirrel sitting on a paper box. The textured meshes illustrate stunning reconstruction quality. Let's break down the paper's key points. In single-image 3D generation, traditional models often struggle with scenes containing multiple objects due to data and model biases. This challenge is termed the multi-object gap. Here's an illustration of the multi-object gap with models trained on ComboVerse. Issues include camera setting bias, occlusion, and leaking patterns where multiple objects affect each other's geometry and texture. ComboVerse aims to address these issues by decomposing and reconstructing each object separately before combining them into a cohesive whole. The approach consists of two main stages: single-object reconstruction and multi-object combination. This figure showcases ComboVerse's two-stage process. First, single-object reconstruction decomposes the input image into individual objects. Then, in the multi-object combination stage, these objects are combined while maintaining accurate scales, rotations, and translations. The process begins with the decomposition of each object within an image using bounding boxes and object segmentation tools. Stable diffusion, South Dakota, is employed to inpaint occluded parts, resulting in complete object representations that can then be reconstructed into individual 3D models. Here's how objects are decomposed and inpainted. The objects are segmented, given a noise background, and then inpainted by South Dakota to achieve the final complete objects. In the second stage, ComboVerse optimizes the scale, rotation, and translation of these separate 3D models to form a single, cohesive 3D asset. This optimization utilizes spatially aware score distillation sampling (SSDS) to emphasize spatial relationships between objects by adjusting attention map weights. In a 2D toy example, spatially aware SDS adjusts a squirrel's position relative to a box better than standard SDS. Extensive experiments validate the effectiveness of ComboVerse, showing significant improvements over previous methods. Visual comparison shows ComboVerse producing higher fidelity 3D models with accurate geometry and texture, especially in complex scenes. Quantitative comparisons show that ComboVerse outperforms state-of-the-art methods in semantic similarity and GPT evaluation scores. More qualitative results demonstrate ComboVerse's strong performance in generating realistic 3D models. A user study confirms that ComboVerse-generated models are consistently more realistic and preferred over competitor models. The survey results highlight the human preference for ComboVerse outputs over existing methods. ComboVerse presents a novel and effective method for creating compositional 3D assets from a single image. By addressing the multi-object gap and utilizing spatially aware diffusion guidance, ComboVerse achieves high-quality 3D reconstructs even in complex scenarios. That's all for today's video. If you found this overview insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arxflix for more deep dives into groundbreaking research. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot to Element for supporting Arxflix and providing this wonderful voice.